Hey everybody, I'm trying to get this video for people who have internet on their cell phones. If you have unlimited usage on your cell phone or a very large data plan on your cell phone that you can use on the internet, I have a way for you to get free ringtones, absolutely free. You don't have to sign up for anything, you don't have to give any information, you just go to the web page, which is a mobile web page, and it's as simple as finding what you want, clicking it, and having it download to your phone. It goes straight to your audio ringtone files. I haven't had a problem with it. I've been using it for 2 months now. I haven't had a problem yet with it. And I wanted to show you on my cell phone, but it's not letting me do that through the camera. You can't see, it's not clear enough. So I wrote it down so that way at least you guys can pause the video and write it down or something, okay? So what we have here is the free ringtones. You go to the HTTP Ringer Mobile, RINGERMOBILE.com, and they're absolutely free. Like I said, there's nothing that you have to do, there's no catch, there's no nothing, and it's for what it's not very well organized. Like, it doesn't have categories. It's just once you get to the page, you can either search for the song that you want, or you can browse through what's on there and just keep going through them. I think it's great. I've gotten hundreds of ringtones already, and I don't even have enough people to put all my ringtones to. So give it a shot, see if you like it, let me know if it works out. If you need any more information, let me know.